Hello, hi guys. Welcome you all to the DevOps Delight YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to see yet another kodekloud engineer task. I am here on the Chrome browser. On search bar, let me type engineer.kodekloud.com/login. Hit enter. I directly got this tasks UI because I auto-saved my password and username. In your case, it may differ. It will prompt you to enter your username and password. Once you have given those details, you will also get the same screen as like me. In this video, we will see how to do Docker update permissions task. Let me click on the start button. It may take 1 or 2 minutes to load our task. Meanwhile, I'm skipping the video here for a while. Okay, we got our task. First, let me read the task, then we will look at the solution. One of the Nautilus project developers need access to run Docker commands on app server 2. This user is already created on the server. Accomplish this task as per details given below. User Ravi is not able to run Docker commands on app server 2 in Stratos DC. Make the required changes so that this user can run Docker commands without sudo. Okay, basically here they are mentioning that an app server 2 there was a user named Ravi is not able to run the Docker commands. Okay, now our job is to make sure that user named Ravi can able to run the Docker commands without need of sudo access. Okay, so let me click on these details of all users and servers button to get app server details. So since they are asking us to do the task on app server 2, let me get the app server 2 details. Steve is the username, stapp02 is the server name, and this is the password. Let me copy it, go back here, ssh steve at the rate stapp02, enter, type yes, and paste the password, hit enter. Yes, now we are inside the app server 2. First, let me try to run one command, docker pull nginx. Okay, we are running these commands as a Steve user. Let me stop it and let me try to sudo su hyphen. The username is Ravi. Password for the Steve user. Paste it. Okay, now let me try to run the Docker version. See, we are getting the permission denied error. So let me try to do the docker exit -it bin /bash. See, docker pull nginx. So whatever the commands we are trying to run related to Docker, it was stating the permission denied. Earlier we get into those commands because we run as a Steve user. Okay, now our job is to make sure this user name Ravi able to run all the Docker commands without need of sudo access. See, now if I run sudo docker version, okay, now let me change it as a Steve user again. Okay, we don't have password for the Ravi user, so I just pressed Ctrl D on my keyboard. So I exited from being a Ravi user. Now I logged in as a Steve user. First, in order to give access to run all the Docker commands, we need to have one group named Docker. So let me check whether it is existed in the system. Cat it is group. See here, we can able to see Docker, or else we can simply do grep Docker. See here we can able to see Steve user is having access. Now what I will do is I will add this user name Ravi to this group so that he can able to run the commands. Okay, so sudo user mod -a g. This is the command that we use to add user to a particular group, and this is the group name and what is the username Ravi. Okay, enter. Now let me do the up arrow and Now you see, we can able to see Ravi is added to the Docker group. Docker group is a group which contains all the permissions where the members of this group can able to run the all the Docker commands. Okay. Now let me do the sudo service restart Docker restart so that it will restart all the services related to Docker group. Okay, so now it is done. Now let me try to sudo su hyphen Ravi. I'm trying to change it as a Ravi user and I logged in as a Ravi user again. Now if I run the Docker version, I can able to get the output. Okay. So as we have completed the task, let me click on this check button to validate our work. Click on confirm. Yes, we did it correct. Congratulations. That's it for this video, guys. See you in another video with yet another kodekloud engineer task. Till then, keep learning, keep practicing. Please let me know in the comments in case you are having any queries related to any kodekloud engineer task or any DevOps tool and the cloud. Thank you.